So you guys can see this website can providing a high quality do follow backlink contextual. So you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Hello guys, my name is Pravya Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we can publish a classified ad backlink. So you guys can see the website name is bestfirmbias.com and I can show you the website authority. So you guys can see this website having 26 domain authority and the spam score is 1%. And I can show you total visitors. So this website having 1.8k total visitors and the traffic source is India and the France, Finland. So this website having mostly traffic from two countries, India and the Finland. So if you guys can want to attract audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your classified backlink on that website. And I can show you the website authority. So according to domain href, so you guys can see this website having 34 domain rating. So we can start. You guys can see this is a website dashboard. So there is option to you guys have to click for the post your ad. Then you guys have to choose your category. God. Then you guys have to add your headings, description. Then you guys have to add pictures. If you guys are having YouTube video, then you guys have to paste your YouTube URL video and the website, first name, last name, and the email ID. These things you guys have to do. Then you guys have to verify your captcha. Then you guys have to click for the post my classified. Once you guys can complete these things, then this website can send you a verification email on your Gmail ID. So I have received a verification email. I think 5 minutes ago I have created a classified backlink. So that's when I was decided to share with you how what is the process for the classified creation on that website. So there is URL. Once you guys can hit this URL, then this website can redirect you from there for their best famous. Yeah. So you guys can see this is my classified ad title and this is my description, and the you guys can see this is our backlink. So you guys can see this website can providing a high quality do follow backlink contextual. So you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So and I can also show you in an incognito tab. It's a 100% approved or not approved backlink. So you guys can see here it is. So our classified ad is 100% approved now, and also you guys can see we have selected one image for this classified. So everything is working perfectly. So there we have uses a phone number and the company name, that kind of things. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in a comment section, and I can also provide all your queries solutions over there if I can create. Otherwise I also can create a videos for that kind of things. So okay guys, and for the last I wanted to request you with a one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, or if I'm doing something better, then you guys have to hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you guys can understand. Okay, so bye bye, take care. And I can also provide this website URL over the description section where you guys can found easily. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.